Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter. This guy. Hi. With stockmarketmentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at NVDA. This is ticker NVDA. Now, someone once told me that great stocks are like beach balls because no matter how much the market tries to hold them down, hold them underwater, they tend to explode to the upside. And so I'm wondering if NVIDIA is the beach ball that this market needs to start ripping to new highs again. As you can see here on Monday, the market tried to push NVIDIA down. And then what happened? The stock rebounded and closed in the top quarter of the range on pretty good volume. Now, although this volume is red, it's just red because technically the stock closed lower than the previous day. But this is really kind of bullish volume here on a pretty strong reversal. Today we had a good follow through and a close right at resistance, again following on pretty good volume here. And I drew this downward sloping trend line, and you can see we have clearly defined resistance on this downward sloping trend line, and at least in the short term we have pretty good support right around this gray line here on the chart. That's the 21-day exponential period moving average. So what I want to see from NVIDIA is a follow through on this chart to the upside coming on higher than average volume. That would truly be a beach ball trying to be held underwater, exploding to the upside. So this stock is on top watch for me tomorrow, and I think it should make your watch list as well. Hey, if you like this video, if you like this chart, be sure and check out what we're doing over at stockmarketmentor.com. And if you're on Twitter, be sure and give me a follow at Scott Trades. We'll see you next time.